Tip 1. Research different types. An understanding of different types of lift chairs will help you decide which is ideal for a senior's needs. There are 2-position, 3-position, infinite position, and zero-gravity lift chairs. 2-position chairs recline a little, while 3-position chairs recline almost fully. Infinite position chairs move independently and often contain dual motors, while zero-gravity chairs provide enhanced comfort by equally distributing body weight. Tip 2. Prioritize comfort. Comfort should be the primary consideration when choosing a lift chair. Comfortable padding, high-quality cloth, and a proper sitting position that aligns with the person's size and weight are key factors to look for. Tip 3. Choose the right size. The lift chair must fit the senior's body proportionately, not too big to cause them to slump or too small to cause discomfort. Take into account the height, weight, and seating preferences of the individual while choosing the size. Tip 4. Ensure easy use. Lift chairs that come with easy-to-use control options are a good option. Remember that some seniors may struggle with complicated mechanisms, so ensure that the operations are straightforward and user-friendly. Tip 5. Check the lift and recline functions. Always check the lift and recline functions of the chair before purchasing. Try sitting in the chair to test the lifting capacity and reclining functions personally for assurance on functionality. Tip 6. Look for extra features. Many lift chairs come with additional features, such as a heat and massage function, side pockets, and a backup battery in case of power failure. Considering these additional features might provide enhanced comfort and usability. Tip 7. Consider the material. The material should be easy to clean, comfortable, and durable. Most people prefer fabric chairs because they offer a wide range of colors to match room decor, but leather can be more durable and easy to clean. Tip 8. Check the construction quality. A good lift chair should be sturdy and well built. Ensure that the chair is constructed with high-quality materials that can support the senior's weight securely. Tip 9. Install in a suitable place. Proper installation is critical for a lift chair. Make sure there is enough space in the room for the chair to fully recline and lift without hitting walls or furniture. Tip 10. Consider the warranty and return policy. Before making a purchase, have a look at the manufacturer's warranty and return policy. Understanding these policies can save you from future headaches if the chair has a defect or doesn't meet your expectations. Tip 11. Plan your budget. Finally, establish a reasonable budget for purchasing a lift chair. Remember that more expensive doesn't always mean better quality. Research and compare prices from various retailers to get the best deal.